Good morning.
Wow, it smells amazing in here.
Thank you. We started baking very early this morning.
I can tell everything looks delicious.
What can I get for you today?
I'd like a croissant, please.
Of course. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Can I also have a blueberry muffin?
Certainly. Anything to drink?
What do you recommend?
Our hot chocolate is very popular.
That sounds perfect. I'll have a hot chocolate.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Good choice. Are you having a busy day today?
Actually, yes. I have several places to visit.
Sounds like a full day.
It is. First, I need to buy a book.
Well, you'll need a good breakfast first.
I agree.
That will be $8.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order is ready.
Everything looks wonderful.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too.
Hello. Welcome.
Good morning.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a book to help me improve my English.
That's great. Are you looking for grammar, vocabulary, or reading practice?
Maybe a little of everything.
I think I have the perfect book.
Really?
Yes. This book contains short stories and everyday conversations.
That sounds useful.
Many English learners enjoy it.
Can I take a look?
Of course.
Oh, I like this. The stories are short and easy to understand.
Exactly. You can learn new words without feeling overwhelmed.
That's what I need. Sometimes long books make me tired.
A lot of learners feel the same way.
How much is it?
It's $12.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Excellent choice.
Do you study languages?
Actually, yes. I'm learning Spanish.
Really? How is it going?
Slowly, but I'm improving.
That's encouraging. Sometimes I feel nervous when speaking English.
Don't worry. Everyone feels that way at first.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
The important thing is to keep practicing.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Can you help me?
of course.
I'm trying to find Green Street Pharmacy.
Green Street Pharmacy?
Yes.
You're actually quite close.
Really?
Yes. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
Okay.
Then turn right at the traffic light.
Right at the traffic light.
That's correct.
Will I see the pharmacy immediately?
Not immediately. Keep walking for about 3 minutes.
All right.
You'll see a bank on your left.
Okay.
The pharmacy is directly across from the bank.
That sounds easy enough.
It is.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
I was worried I was lost.
Don't worry. We've all been there.
You're very kind.
Happy to help.
Have a great day.
You too.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a slight headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had it?
Since this morning.
Have you been drinking enough water?
Probably not. I've been very busy today.
That could be part of the problem.
Maybe.
I can recommend some pain relief tablets.
Thank you. How often should I take them?
1 tablet every 6 hours if needed.
Should I take them with food?
Yes, that's usually best.
Thank you.
Have you eaten today?
Yes, I had breakfast at a bakery.
Good. That's important.
How much are the tablets?
$6.
I'll take them.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Finally, I'm home.
Excuse me?
Oh, hello.
Hi. Sorry to bother you.
That's okay.
My name is Tom. I just moved into the apartment next door.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too.
When did you move in?
This morning.
Really? Then you've had a busy day too.
Very busy. I've been carrying boxes all day.
That sounds exhausting.
It is, but I'm happy to be here.
Welcome to the building.
Thank you. Everyone seems friendly.
Most people are. I think you'll like living here.
I hope so. Do you know if there's a good coffee shop nearby?
Actually, yes. There's a great one just around the corner.
Perfect. I love coffee.
Me too. Maybe we can go sometime.
I'd like that.
So, where did you move from?
I moved from another city for work.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. What about you?
I work in human resources.
That's interesting.
I enjoy helping people.
That's a great job.
Thank you.
Well, I'd better finish unpacking.
Of course. You probably have a lot to do.
A mountain of boxes is waiting for me.
Good luck with that.
Thank you. And thank you for being so welcoming.
You're very welcome.
See you around, Anna.
See you around, Tom. Have a good evening.
You too.
And that's the end of Anna's busy Saturday. What a wonderful day it has been. Today, Anna visited many different places. She enjoyed a nice breakfast. She spent some time at a bookstore. She found a new English book to help her practice. She asked for directions and learned how to communicate with strangers. She visited the pharmacy and learned useful English for everyday life. And she even met a new neighbor. It was a busy day. It was an interesting day. And most importantly, it was a day full of learning. Every conversation helped Anna improve her English. Every new person she met gave her a chance to practice. And every small experience helped her become more confident. That is the secret to learning English. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep practicing. One new word, one new sentence, one new conversation at a time. Thank you for listening and practicing with us today. We hope you enjoyed this story.
And we hope you learned some useful English expressions that you can use in your daily life. Remember, the more English you listen to, the more English you understand. The more English you practice, the more confident you become. Keep listening, keep learning, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep speaking English every single day. Little by little, day by day, your English will get better and better. I'm Anna. Thank you for spending time with me today. Take care of yourself, keep smiling, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.